Did I put the answer here yesterday? Wait. Oh, here. Oh, wait. What happened?
Sorry, I
Oh,
didn't finish it.
we
You
didn't
didn't
finish this
finish it.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we finished it already. Okay, and Shukriya sent me the work. Okay, so let's check Shukriya then after this. Okay, do you want me to discuss this to you together so that, or
Yes,
you
it will.
are okay? You want
Yes.
to do the assignment? You want to discuss this first, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So let's do it then.
Thank
Thank you. So we will see if Shukriya's answer is right by completing this one. So I hope that you can see my screen. Do you? You guys can see it?
Yes, we
you.
can
Yes.
see.
You can.
Okay, so all right. So what are the adjustments that we have? Okay, supplies expenses here, 1,300. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, here. 1,300 as your supplies expense. All right. And then, of course, in here, there is a 1,300 decrease in supplies, correct? That's why the supplies on hand or the remaining in the balance sheet is 700. Okay. Do you have a question about that or you guys are fine? We are okay with the supplies? Yes or no? Tell me if there is a question. If it's not clear for you, tell me so we can do it. So far, so good. Someone can speak as a representative. So far,
Yeah,
so good.
I'm okay, but I don't know others.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, you're fine. Okay. So we also calculated for the insurance yesterday, right? And you know how to calculate the insurance, right? So this is what we did. What's this? Insurance expense of 800, and then prepaid insurance will go down by 800. So how did we get the yearly insurance? Because this is like a 3 year, right? If you still remember, advance payment of 2,400 for 3 years. So per year you got like 800 only. 2,400 divided by 3 equals 800 each year. So for this year, we will report an 800 insurance expense, and you will see it at the bottom, right? Here, insurance expense here. And then the partner, guys, there is like a decrease in the prepaid insurance of 800. So 2,400, the total, subtract by 800, the new prepaid insurance is 1,600 in your balance sheet because it decreased already by 800. Okay? 1 year insurance that was used. Any question if there is before I go to the depreciation? No question?
No, we're good.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so also there are two kinds of like what's this? Two fixed assets that depreciated. The first one is office equipment. The second one is the automobile, right? And then we calculate the depreciation for each year. For what we did for the office equipment is we put 11,000. This is the original cost of the equipment. You will see it from here, guys. Office equipment here, 11,000, right? Take away the accumulated depreciation of 3,760 times the percentage. Let's see. This is what we did yesterday. Okay. 11,000 minus 3,750 times 0.20, you got 1,448. That's the expense to be recorded for 1 year. And then, of course, accumulated depreciation of 1,448. Okay. The second one for the automobile, we did this yesterday. So 42,000 is the original cost. Take away the given accumulated depreciation, multiply by 0.30. We got 7,872 for this year. So therefore, the depreciation expense is 7,872 and the accumulated for this year is 7,872. Now, this is what we did not record yet. These two things, guys. Okay, let's record first the 1,448. Okay. Is the word depreciation expense in on the list of your account? Let's see. Is it on your list? Depreciation expense. Is it here? Depreciation expense. Depreciation. Is it here or not here?
It's not here.
No, not here.
So we will add it here. Okay. Depreciation expense. And this one is for your office equipment, right? Office equipment. How much is the depreciation? Let's see here. 1448. That's the expense. Okay. So I'll put here 1448. And of course, expenses can also be transferred to the income statement. Let's just put it there, 1448. All expenses must go directly to income statement. Now, what's the other 1448, guys? Where shall we put it? It's under your accumulated. The depth end here, guys, is a short for me, short for depreciation, okay? Okay, so let's put, that's another decrease of, what's that? 1448. So if the total decrease in the past year is 3760, guys, this is the total decrease, right? And this year, there is another 1448. How much is the total decrease or accumulated depreciation that will be shown up in the balance sheet? Tell me, what shall we do? Past year, this year, decrease. How much is the total decrease? Any answer from the group? What shall we do to get the total decrease in the value of the equipment? Ah, what shall we do? What shall we do?
I think subtitle 3,000.
3760. I'll put 3760 here.
Yeah, no. This is,
What
answer.
What answer? What will I do?
The 317 and minus 1,000 for 40.
Okay, so Anas is saying subtract. You minus, so we can get the total decrease. Do you agree with that? Remember, the 3760, guys, is the decrease in the past year, right? And this year, there is an additional decrease of 1448. So how much is the total decrease now? Will you subtract or will you add? What's your answer? Add or subtract? I don't know if you guys can hear me. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So Anas is saying, sir, the decrease last year of 3760, take away the decrease this year, then we will get the total decrease in the equipment. Do you agree with that?
No,
Why?
depreciation account added need add. Already previous
So the previous depreciation, what shall we
and
do?
this one also add.
We will add. That's what you're
We will add.
saying,
Yeah.
Aram. Okay? So that's what your classmate is saying. Sir, we will add them because see, it decreased last year by 3760, and then there is another decrease this year. So of course the total decrease will be, we will add them all. So equals, okay, let's add. Both credit, guys, both credit. See that? Both credit. Plus this. This is now the total decrease, 5208. Okay, but if I ask you, how much is the office equipment amount that we will put here? Look at that one, office equipment. How much will be the amount of office equipment here? This is cost principal?
11,000.
11,000. Same, right? The brand new, guys, the brand new here, but the total decrease became like bigger. So if I ask you, how much do you think will be the new value of the equipment, including this year's depreciation? So what shall we do to get the new value? They are called book value. What shall we do with the 11,000 and 5,208? What shall we do with that? If I ask you, 11,000, what shall we do? Do we have to add them to find the present value of the office equipment? Speak. how much must be the new value of the equipment? I know that the brand new amount is 11,000, right? And the total decrease would amount to 5,208. So what shall we do to get the present value or the book value of the equipment? No one will answer? Oh, do you need help, or what do you want? I don't know what to do. So let's just cancel the class. Hmm?
Yes, okay, of course not. But I can understand it.
Okay, so what shall we do then? You guess, guys. You guess. 11,000 is the brand new. It decreased. Okay, the amount of decrease in the past is 3,760, and there is a new decrease of 1,448. So the total decrease is 5,208. Okay. So what shall we do if I ask you, guys, what do you think is the, let's say we are selling the office equipment after including the 1,448, right? So what shall we do with 11,000 and then 5,208? What shall we do to get the present value of the equipment? Do you think we need to add or subtract? What do you think?
I think subtract, because that debit and other one is a credit.
Okay, so in short, we will subtract the two. So if we subtract 11,000, let's see, equals 11,000 minus 5,208. Okay, the new value of the equipment, if we are going to sell it after all the decreases, right? It's 5,792 only. Okay? It's like the presentation. This is the amount that, but of course, they have to be presented both in the balance sheet, right? Both amount, 11,000 minus accumulated depreciation, and then this is the net value, something like that. We will show them. Can we sell, guys, after the depreciation, the two depreciation, can we sell the equipment for 11,000 still? What do you think? Can we sell that for 11,000? After all the decreases? Huh? What do you think?
No, I think the answer is no.
Okay. Because it's been probably how many years? It's an old equipment already, right? It's an old equipment. That's the answer to the question, okay? Actually, the value, if you're going to calculate, it's only 5,792. If you guys are selling it, base it on here. But of course, if you're a good seller, guys, sometimes people are very good when they speak, right? Even if you don't want to buy, later on you will say yes to the person. Some people are very gifted on that, okay? So you can sell it at a higher price, but the fair value that you will present to your balance sheet is the 5,792, which is the difference of the two. Show both this, and show also the present value or the book value. They call it book value. Okay. All right. So let's get on to the other one. Do we have a room for? No. I'll add one more column. Okay, or probably two more. Let me add two more column. Or no, I'll add more column. Okay. So let me put it over here. Okay. So the next depreciation is for the automobile. Do you see this, guys? Depreciation expense, auto, 7872. So we need to recognize that. So it's not on the list, so we will put depreciation expense. Okay, this one is automobile. Okay, let's put automobile. Okay, how much did I say? It's 7872, right? That's an extra expense this year. 7872. Which we will also copy in the income statement, 7872. Okay? And then in here, let's see, the word accumulated depreciation automobile is here. So there is an increase of 7872. So how much would be the total decrease now, guys? It decreased by 15,760 last year. And there is another 7872 this year. The total is, what shall we do? Add, subtract.
It's minus.
Is it minus?
No,
Yeah.
plus.
Okay, just like the first, we will add. Okay, remember this? We add the 2. That's why we got 5,000 decrease, total decrease, right? So same thing is true with this. 15,760 plus 7,872. The total decrease is 23,632. So when the total decrease are getting bigger, the value of the asset became like less. You know what I'm saying? So it became like cheaper because it's getting older and older and older. So how much is this, guys? What will I put here for the value of the automobile? What will
The
I
same
put?
number, 3,760.
Wait. 3,760. Are you sure? Here,
No,
here.
no, no. No.
It's very small. So it's
Yes,
42,000.
four to, yeah.
Okay, the
42.
original amount. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
42,000. And then if you want to know the value of the equipment after all the decreases, you just need to subtract the 2. Okay. So all the adjustment is done up to the depreciation. Now let's move all the accounts. Okay, cash, 4,500. Where shall we move it? Income statement or balance sheet?
Balance sheet.
Okay, so let's just copy 4,500 here. Accounts receivable, of course, that's an asset. Balance sheet, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Supplies is already here. Okay, now. Insurance, okay. This one, okay. This, okay. Okay, what about, what's this? Accounts payable. Let's just copy 1,500 on the credit side, right? Wait. Yeah, 1,500 here. Let's make it bigger. My eyes are kind of like 1,500 here for the accounts payable. Therefore, it's also 1,500 here. Correct. Okay, what else? Capital of 47,980. We will put it here. 47,980. Okay. And of course, the last one is the drawings. Drawing should be part of the 18,000 debit. So we put 18,000 debit. Okay. So far, so good?
Yes.
Okay, now let's fill out the income statement from the revenue, guys. Revenue. Let me make it smaller so we can see the, okay. So revenue, where are you? Okay, here, from income, guys. Okay, to utilities, to office. Do you see that? This one, we will move to the income statement. Okay, so probably I'll just copy these 2 things. Copy. And then I'll paste it over here. Paste. Okay, let's just take out the line here because we have more expenses to include, right? Okay, it says low bat. What is it? So all the expenses are recorded, including the adjustment. Do you see that? Originally, guys, we have, okay, wait, revenue is 120 here. Sales expense here, guys, sales expense is here, 80,000. Rent expense, automobile, utilities, office, and of course, the additional expenses that we adjusted. We have supplies, insurance, depreciation, and then depreciation, the other depreciation. So let's get first the total. So my hint for you is let's add first the adjustment, left and right, so we can get that total, all right? So I'll put this, okay, line, and then make it thicker so we can see. Okay, let's add all the debits here, equals sum, and then from here to here, enter. So that's your left. Your right should be the same, okay? Equals sum. Okay, let's add them up. Okay, the sum is 11,420. Same. Okay. Now for the income statement, let's add all the debits. Let me just put this one over here. Okay. All right. So let's add equals sum. Okay, let's add all the expenses. Then we got 95648. Okay. And then of course 120,000, the revenue, add to nothing. We will just bring it down. Okay, now guys, which is bigger? The revenue or the expenses?
Revenue.
Revenue. So what do we have? A net income or a loss?
Last income.
There is a net income here, right? Okay, now, as I said earlier, you have to leave a space here for now because we need to bring down something, right? So let's try to put probably another line here. Okay, so let's do it this way. What shall we do with a bigger number, as I said earlier, guys?
Minus.
Write it down.
Write it down first. Okay, bring it down. Okay, leave one space and then put it here. 120,000, correct? So what shall we put here, guys? Here.
The same number, 120.
Very good. The same number. And the filling in number that will be put here, guys, is, how can we get this one? This number.
120 minus 95,600.
And that's your net income. Very good. Very good. So let's do it. Equal this minus this. And then we got 24352. Shukriya, do you have the same answer? What do you think? Let's check yours later on, okay? All right. So now let's go to the balance sheet. Okay, add all the assets from cash going down to drawings, okay? Here equals sum. Okay, let's try to add from here to here. Close. And then we have, what's this? 94,800. What about the credit? Equals sum. Okay, this one should be 78,320. Okay, so which one is bigger? Debit or credit?
Debit.
Okay, so let's bring it down. 94,800. And we will put the same number here, right?
Yes.
94,800. Okay, and then the missing, guys, because what is this amount then? What's that amount? Oh, is that correct? This must be the same as the net income, 24352. Can we subtract 94 by 78 if that's right? What's the difference? 94,800, guys. Subtract to 78,320. It must be the same as the net income. If not, something is wrong.
My one is different here.
It's different?
Yeah.
It seems like that. It seems different. Okay, this minus this. The answer is 16,480. Who?
Yeah,
Who?
1600.
16,480.
16,480. Yeah. Yeah.
So something is wrong.
I think in income statement in the debit, you don't add everything. I think you lost the last number.
Which one? Which one?
Income statement.
Is it this one? 7872? I forgot this.
Yes, I think.
Okay,
You
so
can
let me add it again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Equals. Sometimes it's just like the way we add it. Probably I did not include the last one. Let's see. Oh yeah. You're right. So
Yeah.
I think that one is not included. So when I include it, it's 103,520, and then the difference is 16,480, which is the same. 16. Oh, very good, very good. Thank you. So this one is 16,480, and that is correct now. All right. Any question? Yeah, we missed to include the 7872. So right now, guys, our worksheet is correct. So how do we make the income statement? So it's so easy. What you need to do is to put the heading. I'll just copy the heading. What's that? Healthcare consultant. Let's see if it's gonna work. If I'll just copy and paste. Okay. What's this? Let me just put it here. Oh, too much. How come it's too much? Okay, let me try to delete. They don't allow me to delete that one. Okay, let's delete this column because the selection there is too big already. Where is the delete column? Where are you? Delete columns D to J. Okay. All right, so it looks okay. It's there. Revenue, what's the name of the revenue? Let's go to the worksheet. Let's just copy, okay? The name is fees income. Right click, copy, and then put it there. That's the name of the revenue. Paste. Okay, how much is the fixed income in the worksheet? We have 120,000, right? This portion, guys, we are getting this portion. 120 for the revenue. I'll just type it, 120. Because there is just like one revenue, the total revenue is here, 120,000. Okay? Now let's go to the expenses. Are my spaces enough or I need to insert more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5, but in the worksheet you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, I need to add more spaces. How do you add? Guys, look at what I'm going to do. Okay, highlight this one. I have 5, so add more, 4 more. Okay, highlight them and then insert 4 below, 4 row below. Okay, and then there are 9 rows insert, 9 rows now. So what will I do is I'll just copy, probably from sales, expense going down, copy. All right, and let's just put it here. Okay, and then I'll, yes?
How about the letter?
Which one?
The alphabet. You tell us
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
next course.
We will. Okay. Let me use the sort portion. Okay, I'll also copy this one, guys. These expenses, okay, because that's part of the new income statement. Copy and then put it over here. Paste. Okay, let's copy first the amount before we sort, Supriya. All right, so 80,000 going down here. All right, I'll just copy and then paste it over here. Paste. I'm just copying the expenses, guys, and then from supplies, here, 1,3 going down to 7,872. Copy, and then paste it over here. That's how easy the income statement is, guys. You just copy and paste. Okay, now Shukriya said, sir, alphabetical order, please. Okay, so highlight this from here to here, including the numbers, okay? And then right-click. Oh, again, sorry. Highlight from here to here. And then right-click. And then you know the sort range here, guys? Sort.
Okay. So,
Click on that. And then sometimes it doesn't just, so click here first and then go back. Click again. Okay, and then sort. If you will see, it's A first, B, D, I, O, R, S, S, U. See that?
Yes.
Okay, and then now what's the total expenses? You said, sir, the total is 103,520. Actually, we can just like copy that one and then paste it there because we already calculated it, right? Okay, paste. And then net, oh, why is it 0? Okay, I think they want a formula. Okay, I'll put equal. Okay, sum. I'm going to add all the expenses from here to here, highlight, and then close bracket, enter. The total expenses is 103,520, or you can just like copy it from here, 103,520. And then net income should be 16,480. Let's see. I can also do the formula if you want. Equals this, subtract to this. And then the answer is 16,480. This is your net income. Question? Yes, okay?
Yes.
All right, next. Balance sheet. So this one will be a longer one. Okay, let's go to the current assets. So current assets first is from cash going down to supplies, okay? Cash to supplies and prepaid, sorry. Prepaid insurance is part of the current assets. Copy. And then let's just put it over here. So we need one more space here, guys. We need one more space, okay? So insert. Above or below, that's fine, as long as there is an extra space. So I'll put it over here. So there are 4, correct? And then afterwards, let's copy the number. I'll get the number, guys, from the balance sheet, okay? Because balance sheet number are updated, not in the trial balance. From here to, sit here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, up to here. Oops. Highlight from here to here. Right click, copy, and then I'll paste it. Okay, in the middle, right? In the middle. That's my instruction before. Paste it there. And then what's the total current assets? Let's add them. Let's just put like a single line over here. Okay. So this one is the sum of all those current assets. We have 4, 5 plus this. Close bracket. The sum is 23,800. That's your current. Now the fix. I think there are, what's this? Guys, look at this. This is a bit different. Because in the fixed asset, how many assets do you have? You have office equipment, right? And then the accumulated depreciation. There's automobile and then accumulated depreciation. So 4 spaces for that. Let's see. 1, 2. I need to add 2 more, okay? 1 second. 2 more row below. Okay, so I'll put those. Okay, sorry. This one should be changed. Let's change it here. No. Okay, so let's do it. This is the fixed asset. Let's copy. Okay, from office equipment, then up to accumulated depreciation automobile. Okay, copy.
So I put the supplies and the fixed assist.
No, don't. Supplies is part of your current. Okay, yeah. Normally, supplies can be converted into cash normally within 1 year. That's your current assets. Okay, and normally that's classified as current. Okay, so next time put that under the current asset. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to do, guys. All right, office equipment it will be a little bit different in the way we present it. So look at this, 11,000 here, right? 11,000 is your office. The accumulated depreciation is 5208. Let's do it this way. 11,000. Here, guys, 11,000. Very first column, okay? Because there are 2 equipments. And then this one is, what did I say? 5208. Okay, there you go. Okay, 5208. Now, let's try to find how much is the book value of the equipment, guys, after that depreciation. Hello?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I think it's my my charger. Okay, it didn't charge that well, but it's 5%. Okay, so I think I thought it's charging, but it's not. All right, so where are we again? We are in the what are we doing now? I'm
Balance
lost.
statement.
The income statement, right?
No,
Okay.
we have done.
We have done the income balance sheet. Okay, all right. Okay. So, do you see my screen? Yes.
No.
No.
Oh, no, not anymore. It's because of that. Okay, your entire screen. Let's see. So the way we present, guys, is you can see it now.
Yes.
Okay, so the way we present is, look, brand new 11,000. Take away the total decrease. So how much is the difference? We will put it over here. Okay, so equals this minus this. The new value or the book value of the office equipment is 5792. So for the automobile, guys, we will copy the amount here. Automobile is 40, I think, 42,000. And then your accounts payable is, sorry, your accumulated depreciation is 23,632, right? 42 and then 23,632. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, did I say 42, right? 42 and then 23,632, correct? Yes? Are you guys okay? All right. Okay. So the two, guys, what's the difference between the two? 23,632 is 42 minus 23,632. This minus this equals this. 18,368. Do you see that? Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so in short, guys, in short, we will, okay, if I ask you, sir, how much is the new total fixed assets? Okay, so of course, we will add the difference of 5792 plus 18368. That will be the value of your fixed assets after those years. Okay, so let's put this single line. And I'll put, guys, the total over here. Okay, equals this plus this, and we get an answer. This is your total fixed asset. Do you understand?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, now, total assets. How do we calculate for that? Of course, the total current plus the total fixed, we get your total assets. So equals sum, then add the two. Okay? And the sum is 47,960. This is your new, this is the total assets that we have. Okay? All right, so let's make it quickly because we are running out of time. I know that people have classes. Feel free to go, guys, if you have classes. All right? But if you can stay, feel free to stay. Or anyways, okay, my class list. Okay, I am checking it automatically. I already set it there so that if you guys are leaving early, it was checked already by Google. All right, so liabilities. What do we have? And I'll post the link later on, okay? So we only have how many? Accounts payable. Accounts payable only. That's it. Oh, yeah. Accounts payable. So let's put the word accounts payable here. Payable. And the amount is how much? Accounts payable is, accounts payable, that is 1,500, right? 1,500. So I'll put 1,500. In the middle, guys, 1,500. And then because there is only one account, current liability, let's just bring it down here. 1,500. Okay, for the long-term liabilities, do we have any payable beyond 1 year? I think none, 0. Okay, there is nothing, no mortgage, so we will just put 0 and then 0 here. And then the total liability is 1,500 plus 0 is the same as 1,500. Up. Okay, comma, wrong. Okay, 1,500. So now let's go to the owner's equity. Almost done. Total owner's equity. So beginning capital is how much? It's the 40, wait. S cherry capital is 47,980. Okay, 47,980. Put it here in the middle. 47,980. Let's combine the income and drawing. So the income is how much? The income is
16,480.
correct. 16,480. 16,480. How much is the drawings?
18,000.
18,000. Okay, so when you go back, it's 18,000. So how much is the difference between the two? I'll put it here. This, oh, really? Minus this. I think there is a negative number there. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Because the drawing is bigger. So in short, instead of increase, guys, we will have like a decrease in capital. Do you understand that? Look at what I did, decrease in capital. Instead of this getting bigger, it will become small by subtracting the two. Okay, so how much is the difference? This minus this, because it's a negative, okay? And the answer, what's the problem? I did not put any bracket. Okay, wrong. Okay, let me just erase. This minus this equals 49,500. That's the new capital at the end. All right. No, is it right? I think
No,
no. It's
my one
wrong.
is 46, 460.
Oh, I know, because the number is like negative. Okay. All right. It should be subtracted, guys. This subtract to this. All right. So equals. Let me do it the other way. Sometimes sum is working. This one, because it consists of positive negative. All right. So it should be 460. Correct.
Yes.
Okay, now we will add the total liabilities. The accounting equation is A equals L plus OE, right? So what is L plus OE? This one is this plus this. The answer is 47,960. Let's see if it's the same as the total assets. 47,960. Same?
Yeah, it's same.
Okay, so in short, our balance sheet is correct. Any questions so far? Question?
No, thank you.